Hello everyone. So hear me out. This is probably one of the most convenient and powerful web applications that I've found for organizing all your stuff. Now I've tried various organizing applications but I didn't find them quite user friendly. They are powerful but not as easy to operate with because they have got all these databases, templates and all that stuff which really gets hard to use, alright. But this application, as soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to recommend this to you guys because it's basically drag and drop and it has various powerful features. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys what the website is, how everything operates and how you can use all the templates and other stuff to organize all your work. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. My name is Samyan Samant. Welcome to the channel. Alright guys, so the name of the website is millernote.com. If you want to access the website, the link is in the description. You can go right ahead. Now once you come to the landing page, just go down here. See, you have the option to download the mobile application, iOS or Android, the desktop application, Mac or Windows, and the web clipper. Now once we're done with this, you can simply sign up for a new account. If you already have an account, you can just go right ahead and log in. I already have an account, so I'll log in. Now once you log in, the website will be in light mode by default. If you want to change it, just go to settings, account settings, then appearance and then dark mode. Now let's get to the website. See this is an empty board. Now while creating projects, you have to drag drop several elements which are in the toolbar that you see on the left. Okay. So in this video, first of all, I'll teach you how the toolbar works, how all the elements inside it work, and then I'm going to show you how you can create project based on templates. Okay. So if you want to jump to any part of the video, the timestamps are given, you can go right ahead. For now, let's go ahead with this. First thing is note, just drag it in. Okay. Just write anything that you want. Now once you type stuff inside it, note can be used to write paragraphs, dialogues, whatever you want. Okay. First thing, you can edit the text style. You can switch it to bold, italic, bullet, align its center. You can go with hyperlink and two other options which are numbering and strike through. Okay. And after that, card color. Okay. So just switch to any card color that you want. Let's say red. Then you can also edit it in a long form so you can get a more clear vision of it. And you can go back. You can switch off the long form and you can add emoji reactions to any of the card that you like. Okay. So whatever you import inside will be in the form of a card. Okay. And you can keep it anywhere on the screen. Second thing, a link. Bring it in. I've already got a link. Okay. This is one of the links to my videos. Wait, let it load. Okay. So as you can see, it brings in the thumbnail. It brings in the title of the video. You can also play the video here. Okay. And you can resize it. See. Okay. So I'll keep it here. Next thing is a to-do list. Basically check boxes 1 2 3 4. Okay. So it will also ask you if you want to add a title to this list. You can say yes. Okay. Tasks, I'll keep it. And you can just simply check these things. It will also ask you if you want to delete the completed tasks. You can go with yes or no thanks. I'll go with no thanks. You can also align this stuff up or down and you can delete whatever you want. Okay. So that is basically the to-do list. Once you're done with the to-do list, you have line. Line will basically connect two cards with each other. So I'll take this here, I'll connect this here, and the starting point will be tomorrow. Okay. So that's how lines work. You can also edit the line to any color. You can invert the lines. You can also label it, keep it dashed, and adjust the weight of the lines. Okay. So that's totally up to you. After that, we have board. Now board, I'll teach it to you later. Then we have column. Simply drag it in. Now a column is basically a collection of cards. You can add all of these cards inside one single column. Okay. So let's keep the title all in one. Okay. Select it. You can select any color for the card. Okay. Oh, sorry, column. I've kept a color. Now I can insert a note inside it. I can insert a link inside it. I can also insert a to-do list inside it. So basically whatever you want, you can put it inside one single column. Okay. After column, we have comment. Now comment also I'll teach it later because it's related to the board. Okay. Then you can add images. Now the images are supported by unsplash.com. Okay, they provide several images. Okay, you can also add an image of your own. Okay, Then you have upload file. Okay, so first of all, let's upload an image of our own. You can either browse, okay, you can either browse your own device. See, I'll open this here. See, we've got this image, just drag it in. You can also resize it. I'll keep it here. You can also switch to any kind of browser, let's say cats. Okay, I'll go to images. See all of these images. I've got this image. I like this image. I'll basically just screenshot it for now. Okay, I'll take this much part and then I'll come here and I can paste it. See, the image is here. Control V. So we can bring images. Next thing is upload a file. Just click here. I've got a file here on my desktop, Skyfall. Now the good thing here is that once you upload any kind of file or image, this website shows you preview for all kinds of stuff. Let it be a Photoshop file or a PDF or an image, everything. You get to see the preview. Now as you can see, the PDF has been uploaded. You can see the first page of the PDF, which is the preview. Okay, so you can also download the PDF. You can open it here. You can resize the PDF. You can set a color to the PDF. Okay, see, I've switched it to purple. You can add description if you want, add reaction, whatever you want to do. Okay, so those are all the elements of the toolbar. So that's it. That was the toolbar, guys. Now I'm going to select all of this. We'll just drag it and keep it aside for now. Okay, it's fine here. Now let's switch to board. Now boards are basically used when you are creating projects. Board is kind of a box and inside it you have all the elements, right? So once you create a board, you can see all of the planning stuff. You can keep it inside the project. Okay, so just keep it here. Let's name the board new project. Hit enter. Now once you create a board, you can set the color for the board. I'll keep it red. And you can also set the icon. Now it has identified by itself that the title has project, right? So it will recommend you project and you can select any icon. Now I'm a video creator, I'll take this icon. See, new project. Now just double click on it and it will open a new project. And here on the bottom right, as you can see, choose a template. Now this is one of the most useful and powerful features of this website. See, these 5 are just basic most used recommendations. You can also go with more templates. So based on your profession, you can see this. You've got so many options. So you can just switch to any option. Let's go with, okay, let's go with photography. Let's say, do they have photography? Yes, they do have photography. Okay, photo shoot plan. Just click on any of the option that you want and it will show you the preview of that template. How it's gonna look, how you can use this, you can imagine all of that stuff. You can think, yeah, I'll keep all of this stuff here, and you can choose any kind of template that you want. Let's say you liked this template. Okay, simply click on use this template, and once you click on that, it will clear up the whole template for you. Let me show you. Just click on it. See, clearing template, and the whole template is clear, and now it's ready for you to use. Okay, so that's how you can use templates. All right, you can just basically create a new project, and once you create a project, they'll just suggest you a template. Select the template, it will be cleared for you and you can go ahead and use it. So that was basically it, guys. That's how you can create a project. Now let's go to the website part. I want to tell you one thing, that once you import all of this stuff, now every single thing inside this toolbar is a card, right? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cards here and 6 cards inside this. Now, while using the free version of this website, the maximum number of cards you can use by default are 100 cards. Okay, for free version. You can also extend this limit for free version by referring to this website to your friends or colleagues. Now, as they have written here, that also has a capacity, which is capacity of maximum 100 extra cards, 20 extra cards every time one single person uses your referral link. Okay, so simply copy the referral link, or you can invite them via whatever social media or Gmail, whatever you want. If you want upgraded features, you can take any kind of plan that you want. It's totally up to you. It's either per person plan or a plan for whole team. Okay, so just see the charges and you can go right ahead if you want to do so. Now we're done with that. Also, few more things that I wanted to show you inside the project. See here, these are the options. First of all, add creator. Once you click on this, add creator means that you can share this project with someone and even they can edit the project. So let's say you have a team, so you can basically share this link, okay, invite editors via shareable link, or enter the email addresses and you can share it with them. They can also edit all of the stuff. As you can share this, you can add comments. As I had said, comment is related to this, so insert a comment, and once you write any comment, it will get upgraded in everyone's board so they can see what you have said. Okay, so that is it for comment. After that, you have publish and share. Let's say you have created a template by scratch and you think that this template will be useful for others. So what you can do is you can publish it via links. Next is export. So once you create this awesome template of yours, you have planned a whole project, you can export it as a PDF, either high quality or low quality, as a PNG image, or convert it to a linear document like Word document, plain text document, or a markdown. Okay. And finally, this thing is zoom out basically to close or open the toolbar. Okay. Simple. So that's how you can operate on Millernote. That's the whole website. Alright guys, so that was the website. Now if you find this video useful, do like the video. It really helps me with the algorithm. Share this with your friends so that they can also organize their stuff on this awesome website, and consider subscribing to this channel. How to tech reviews, tech videos, coding, gaming, vlogging is all that goes on this channel. So if that's your vibe, hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Spotify and GitHub. All the links are given in the description. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.